The first thing I need you to do is to head to google.com and type in "Get Paid to Read Email" in the search bar. Select the first link and click. You will be taken to this page. This is their homepage. It is the website you will be making $1,237 daily just by reading emails. Yes, you will just need to open email, read, and boom. You earn money. You will be cashing out daily from this system. Paid to read email. Every time you read email. Who does not want to earn money just by reading email? In fact, all you will be doing is to open the email and scroll for 30 seconds to a minute and close. Open another. Scroll for a minute and close, open another, and do the same thing, while money keeps accruing in your wallet. You will receive emails sent to your inbox daily, and get paid every time you open the email and read. If you don't want to read, you should just open the email and let it slide for a minute. You will still earn money. So, since what you are expected to do is to receive their email, open the email, and scroll through for a minute or so, depending on the length of the email. You will be making money from these seemingly lazy tasks that does not require any skill or expertise at all. All you will need to get started is your laptop, phone, and internet connection. You will also need an email account for this system. You can sign up for a free account from Gmail or Yahoo if you don't have one already. Now, this is how it works on this platform. There are 3 simple steps. Just 3 simple steps to do and make money on this system. 1. You will sign up free on this platform. 2. You will read emails that is sent to your mailbox. 3. You get paid. Simple. There are not hidden task or expense in this system. In this method, no secret. Just sign up, read email, make money. Simple. Now, you may want to ask, why should I join? Paid to read emails. 1. You will receive daily points emails. 2. They have quick payment processing, which is usually within 2 to 4 hours. They have low payout threshold of $15. You will earn a $3 sign-up bonus as you sign up and activate your account immediately. They also have daily paid survey for you to make more money. You will be able to earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. You will also be able to earn through their referral system. How cool is that? Apart from reading emails, these are some of the surveys that will let you earn more money on this website. One of such is Say So survey. As you can see here, you will get to earn a $3 as a bonus when you sign up immediately. Others are Your Survey, Opinion Survey, and more, where you will also earn money with surveys. Now, to get sign up to earn money, you will just need to input your first name, last name, email, password again, zip code, tick the terms and conditions, and then sign me up. Simple. When you sign up, you get some of these top surveys. Say So surveys, Opinion surveys, Opinion Network surveys, Dynata surveys, Say So survey, Spectrum router, survey time. There are some frequently asked questions you may be asking yourself too. What you will need to know is that Paid to Read Email is an online rewards community where you can earn money for your time and efforts by reading emails, taking surveys, completing offers, referring friends, and more. On this website, you can choose to earn points that are redeemable for gift cards. There are guaranteed paid emails and more money-making opportunities on the platform. There is so much you will be paid on this platform, it depends on your efforts. As a member, you can cash and have your points earned and redeemed separately. 100 points are worth $1 cash. You will have the option to convert your cash to points also. In this system, you will also have the chance to cash out all your commission through PayPal. Paid to Read Email is available throughout the world. That means your location is not a barrier for you on this platform. You will get to earn cash from this platform, and you will be paid in dollars. Now, to get started, you will need to sign up on this website and start earning right away. The first thing is come to this sign up point here and select your sex, female or male. You will then input your name, your email, your password, then confirm your password, and then sign up. This page will be opened for you to complete filling in your details. I will put in my details to sign up immediately. I will fill in my first name here, my last name here, next my email, my password and then confirm that my password is correct. I will type in my zip or postal code, and I will then tick the terms and conditions. I will also need to tick the reCAPTCHA. And finally I will click sign me up. After this, I will be taken to this page, where it says here, thank you, account activated, and the message says, thank you, your paid to read email account is active. $3 sign-up bonus has been credited to your account. Remember, to ensure that you receive all emails from us, please whitelist our email with your email provider. Here, you can see that these are some of the great offers that I am qualified to partake and earn money immediately. They include Cash 4 offers, Moolah Days, Quick Pay Survey, Surveys email. The next thing is visit my email box to check for confirmation mails from paid to read email. Yes, this is the email. It says here, hello. Confirm your email address and activate your paid to read email account. I will then click on this link. Activate your paid to read email account here. Now, my account is activated. I can now come here to get free ways to be rewarded for my online activities. These are cash surveys I can partake to earn money right away. If I click here, I will be taken to this page, where I will get all these surveys, and I can earn from 40 cents to $1.20 for every survey I complete. I can click here and here to see all the offers I have on this platform. It may take up to 24 hours for me to start receiving the emails that I will need to open to earn money in my inbox. So while I wait, I can start taking surveys and offers to earn money immediately. Wow, as you can see here, these are some of the surveys I can take right now to earn money, and there are lots of them here. All I will need to do now is to go ahead, take these surveys as many as I can each day, and watch how money will get piled up in my account. Will you join me? Ciao.